Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E. Vitamin E is a vital nutrient acting as a powerful antioxidant in your body. It helps protect your cells from oxidative stress, which can contribute to various health issues. We will explore its different forms, primarily focusing on alpha-tocopherol, the most biologically active type. Understanding its role is the first step to effectively incorporating it into your wellness routine for optimal benefits. Getting enough vitamin E from your diet is crucial. Excellent sources include sunflower seeds, almonds, and wheat germ oil. You can also find it in spinach and broccoli. For most adults, the recommended daily allowance is 15 milligrams. If your dietary intake falls short, or if you have specific health conditions, a supplement might be beneficial. Always consider your overall diet first before adding supplements. Beyond internal consumption, vitamin E offers fantastic benefits when applied topically. You can use vitamin E oil directly on your skin to moisturize and support skin health. Many people find it helpful for reducing the visibility of scars, stretch marks, and even fine lines. Remember to always do a small patch test on your skin first to ensure you do not have any adverse reactions before widespread application. While beneficial, it is important to use vitamin E safely. Excessive intake from supplements, particularly above 1,000 milligrams daily, can lead to adverse effects like bleeding. Always consult with a doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before beginning any new supplement regimen. They can help determine the right dosage for your individual needs and ensure it does not interact with other medications you might be taking. Prioritize your health by staying informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.